I grew up in Goma, in Eastern Congo, a land of volcanoes, misty mountains, and the deep forest of Virunga. It was wild, untamed, full of life, mystery, and beauty. As a child, I watched mountain gorillas move through the trees. That connection to nature shaped me. But I also saw what happens when we stop protecting it. Forests disappeared, animals vanished, and the balance that once existed was broken. That loss never left me. It followed me until I found this place in Mozambique, a stretch of lands where the dunes meet the ocean, where wildlife still has a chance. And something deep inside me whispered, protect this. That's how Reserva Dunas Verdes was born, a dream rooted in memory and a promise to the future. I couldn't save what was lost in Congo, but here I can help nature breathe again. This reserve is my way of giving back, not just to the land, but to the wild part of myself that always believed in it. We are building a sanctuary for nature, for community, for hope. A place where coastal dunes breathe again, where native trees and grasses return. Reserva Dunas Verdes is more than a reserve. It's a movement of restoration. Every tree planted, every turtle saved, every child inspired begins with someone who believes. Someone like you.